Running a restaurant doesn't always mean you're in the restaurant. That's why GuestCenter has everything you need to master your day from start to finish. From your phone, you can check last night's revenue, or make staffing adjustments for the upcoming shift before you even get to the restaurant. At the door, the iPad and phone apps seamlessly work together for managing reservations, wait lists, seating parties, table statuses, printing chits, and much, much more. After service, you can dive into the GuestCenter reports or make any adjustments to your availability, like modifying your floor plans, or create a special day for the upcoming holiday season with unique hours and turn times. You'll also be able to update your OpenTable restaurant profile and respond to diner reviews. So no matter where you are, GuestCenter is right there with you.